Animal Dads, written by Barbara Squartz. Some animal dads don't help much. These dads don't help at all. Other animal dads are great. Which animal dads are those? This dad guards and cares for his chicks. He helps them all by himself for almost 2 years. This dad cleans bugs from his baby's fur. He helps feed them. He carries them too. This dad holds eggs in his mouth. He helps them safe until they are born. This dad eats food and spits it back up. Then he feeds it to his pups. Yum! He helps his pups grow strong. This dad carries tadpoles on his back. He helps them reach water. This dad holds an egg on his feet. He helps keep it warm and cold. This dad holds thousands of eggs in his pouch. He helps them grow and hatch. These dads help out with the young too.